Creamy moi moi on a Saturday morning hits differently. Save this recipe and recreate it for your family because they are gonna love it. Start by measuring the quantity of beans you want to use. Soak for 2 minutes in warm water for easy peelings. Wash and rinse to separate the chaff from the beans. Soak this in water while you prep the rest of the ingredients. I have my mackerel fillet. I will just go ahead and season it. Cook for 5 minutes and set it aside. For the pepper mix, I have scotch bonnet pepper, paprika pepper, and onion. Cut into pieces and blended till smooth. Now in a pan, heat up some oil and fry the pepper mix. Add some crayfish, seasoning cubes and fry until sweet. Then add in your mackerel fish and stir together. The sauce is ready. Set that aside as well. Going back to our beans, pour into the blender and add more onions. Blend this till smooth. Transfer this in a bowl and pour in the sauce into the beans as well as the fish stock. Salt to taste and mix this thoroughly. To wrap the moi moi, you will need to wash the leaves thoroughly. Remove the stalk at the back. You can double it or use one. Then fold inward or outward in a circular motion. Then fold in the leaves out and tuck in the bottom, just as I'm doing in this video. Do this until you run out of the batter. Heat up some water in a pot. Start to drop in your wrapped moi moi. Cover with 1 or 2 leaves to retain the steam. Cook this for 45 minutes on low to medium heat. Keep an eye and drop in some little water from time to time so it doesn't get burned. After 45 minutes, this is what you have. Serve with pap, custard, or oatmeal. Enjoy! Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!